The heights of sunflowers follow a normal distribution with mean 112 and standard deviation 17.2. Find the probability that a height of randomly chosen flower is greater than 120. Probability height is greater than 120 has to be found, or probability Z is greater than 120 minus mean upon standard deviation. So probability Z is greater than 0.4651. Okay. Now remember, Z-score goes till 3 dp only, so round this off to 3 dp. Okay, so what is the probability when the z-score is greater than 0.465? But this has to be corrected. We can rewrite it as 1 minus 5, 0.465. So 1 minus 0.465 when z-score is 0.465, 0.465, we're getting 0.6772 plus 18 in the last two digits. So we're getting 0.6790. So 1 minus 0.6790, which gives us 0.321 as our final answer. Part 2. When a new fertilizer is used, the height of sunflowers follow a normal distribution with mean 115. Given that 80% of the heights are now greater than 103, find the standard deviation. Okay, so probability height is greater than 103 is 0.8. So probability height is greater than 103 minus mean upon standard deviation is equals to 0.8, which gives us probability height is greater than, we're getting minus 12 upon sigma equals 0.8. And I'm sorry, I was supposed to write this as z, because once you standardize by subtracting mean and dividing its standard deviation, you're supposed to change the variable to z, indicating normal distribution. Okay, now we have to look at whether this z-score is a positive value or negative value. We're going to draw a normal distribution curve. We know in the middle there's a 0, and greater than 0 probability is 0.5. Here the probability is 0.8. That means it's slightly towards the left of 0, which means this z-score is now negative. So this is a negative value. So we can write minus 12 upon sigma is actually a negative value, and then replace that with negative k. Okay. So we know that this simplifies to phi k is equals to 0.8. Now we're going to go to the table, read the z-score corresponding to 0.8. Okay. So we don't have 0.8 exactly, but if we add 5 to this, we can get 0.8. So the z-score is 0.842. So k equals 0.842, which means negative 12 upon sigma is equals to negative 0.842, which gives us sigma equals 14.25, and you must round this to 3 significant figures, so 14.3.